Today I'm cooking a simple stir-fry long bean with homemade sambal. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 400 grams of long beans, washed and cut into 1.5 inch in length, 100 grams of red onion, cut thin slices, 135 grams of homemade sambal, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, half tablespoon of sugar, and 120 ml of water. The full list of the ingredients and homemade sambal recipe are in the See More link. Switch on the heat, add in all the sambal, and all the red onion slices. Stir and cook for 30 seconds or until the onions are coated with sambal. Add in long beans and water. Stir and mix until well combined. Add sugar and fish sauce. Mix it again. Cover the pan and cook it for 4 minutes. Stir occasionally. After 4 minutes, the long beans are cooked. If crunchy long beans are preferred, we can switch off the heat as this dish is done. For me, I like to cook it slightly longer as I need the beans to be very soft. Cover the pan and continue to cook for 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, the beans are soft and the gravy has dried up. This is a perfect consistency for this dish. Give it a taste. Delicious and not too spicy. More seasoning can be added as preferred. Switch off the heat and we are done. Let's dish out and serve. Let's eat. It's tasty and slightly spicy. The beans are also really soft and easy to eat. This will be perfect with rice. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.